I said, what's going on, guys? We're back again with another video. It's your boy Steve from Random Reviews, and today we will be reviewing the Balut egg. Okay, hopefully this one's going to be better than the Century egg, because we all remember what happened in that video. Alright, we're just going to jump right into it. A lot of people have already done this, but I haven't, so we're just going to try it. We're going to crack her open. A little concerned about this one. Last one wasn't too pleasant. They say you're supposed to crack it open and suck out the juice. I got a little bit of salt and pepper on hand, but first we're going to try it raw with no grease. Alright. Oh, and this egg has a dead baby bird or a dead duck. Hopefully, I don't know if you can see that. She's dripping. Alright, so we're just going to go on raw with no grease and try this juice. Your boy doesn't have a strong stomach, so fuck it. Wow, that's actually really good. Tastes like duck. I'm just going to go ahead and crack the rest of this puppy wide open. God. You see what your boy's about to put in his mouth right now. Let's do it. We'll try a little slither. I'm going to do it with my eyes closed. Tastes real good. Honestly, just tastes like egg. Trying to see if you can see the head. You can see the actual duck itself. How sketchy is that? Look at the little baby duck. I'm gonna bite your head off. Alright, this is probably gonna be the hardest part, but we're gonna go ahead and bite this little guy's head fucking clean off. Oh god. We're gonna fuck it. We're just gonna hold up. That's a hell no. It's not that bad, but it's not good. Get another bite of this veiny ass egg. Okay. About done with that. But pleasantly, it wasn't as bad as the Century egg. Alright. That was a quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Stay tuned for the next video. And as always, I fucking love you.